Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a QR code using Canva. First, go to the Canva website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. You can choose any size you like, but for now, let's select a custom size or use something simple like an Instagram post. After your blank canvas opens, go to the left sidebar and scroll down to find the Apps section. Click on it. In the Apps menu, scroll or search for QR code. Click on the QR code option when it appears. A new panel will appear on the left. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter a URL. This is the link you want the QR code to point to. Type or paste the full web address. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS so it works correctly. After entering the link, click on the Generate QR Code button. Canva will automatically create the QR code and add it to your design. You can now move it, resize it, and place it anywhere on your canvas. If you want to change the background or add text, images, or shapes, feel free to use the tools on the left. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top left corner and click File. Then choose Download and select your file type. PNG is a good choice for printing or sharing online. Click Download and Canva will save your design with the QR code included. You can now use it anywhere you want. Thanks for watching.